Hi everyone, welcome to another video from my art address. My name is Tan and today I will share with you 3 reasons why I started my creative journey with paint pouring. For some of you who are not sure of what is paint pouring, it is a form of art using liquid paint pouring on the canvas to create different texture and patterns using the casual tools around the house such as plastic cup, spoon, a knife, a hairdryer, or a straw, or gravity to manipulate the flow of paint. With this form of art, you don't really need a special skill to begin with. As long as you can pour, you literally can paint. If you have already started the paint pouring and are facing some issues, don't worry, they are probably just missing a few tips and tricks which will help you untangle the issues. So if you have any questions in the paint pouring, feel free to drop them in the comment box below. Okay, let me go straight to the point. The reason number 1 is its availability. With paint pouring, all you need is paint and canvas. These tools are so easy to be found at any local art and craft store, or even I do find them in a dollar shop. And the rest of the tools can be found in your local supermarket, such as plastic cup, hairdryer, straw, baking paper, push pin, anything pretty much to help you create art. The reason number 2 for me to start on paint pouring is the forgiveness from this art form. If you make mistake, you can just scrap the paint off the canvas and restart again, or you can just add more paint, manipulate until you're happy with that composition and the color combination. And the final reason, and also the most important reason why I started my journey on this paint pouring, is the process. When creating art with the paint pouring, I see the flow of the paint create such a mesmerizing motion, and when I see the color combination and whether they blend together or they combine together, it create such a cool effect. And the outcome of most of the painting I had, it's just mesmerizing. Yeah, these are the 3 reasons that keep falling in love with this art form. If you like my video, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for future video where I will be sharing with you my painting process and experience, which will help you in your creative journey. Bye for now. Catch you next time. Ciao!